Working on the rear headlight for the Audi. Have to replace the reverse light. So to do that, you gotta get inside in here. It's a regular star screwdriver. So I'm just loosening it up. Loose. So I'm gonna use my pry tool to get in between here. Try to help pry it out. Loosen it up a little bit. You gotta pull. Gotta pull in this corner here to loosen it up. So let me work on that. Make sure I get it out. Okay, perfect. So you can see now that it's loose, it's open. This is where that tool comes in handy. Just pry it forward. That's how you get it out. And you'll be able to take the tabs out, remove it, push it forward. A little fiddly, but you can get to it. So it's not at the bottom here, that's why. Start at the top. Sometimes it gets stuck. Make sure I'm breaking it there. Alright. That's what it looks like. Make sure everything is clean here. I got a high powered reverse light, so it's not working. I'm gonna check it out.